Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you Google Chrome tricks everyone should know. Do not forget to subscribe. So go to your Chrome app, click on the three dots, then click on settings, scroll down to where you have languages and click on it. Here now you can choose your preferred language for the app. Click on add more language to view all of the languages you can choose from. So scroll down to see anyone you like. The moment you click on it, your Google Chrome app now appears in that language. How cool is this, guys? Please do not forget to subscribe. For the second trick, in your Google Chrome, either you search or click on any news site. You can see that for me, this news is available in English. With Google Chrome, there is a trick to change it to any language of my choice. So just scroll up and click on this three dots at the top right hand corner. Click on translate. Click on more at the bottom right corner, then click on more languages. You can see all the languages. Then I can change this news item to any language of my choice. I'll just click French and you can see the news is now available in French language, and if I want to read my news in French language I can just do so, and you can change it to any language of your choice. For the third trick, search out anything you want on Google. I'll just search out this news site. Then click on the three dots at the top right hand corner. With this now you can change it to desktop site. I'll just click on desktop site and my search will now be available as if I'm using a desktop or a computer for searching Google. For the last and fourth trick, click on the three dots at the top right hand corner, then click on settings. Scroll down to where you have theme and click on it. Now you can change your Google Chrome from light to dark theme. Just click on the dark theme and you can see now that my Google Chrome is available in dark theme and it's easy on my eyes. Please do not forget to subscribe.